channel. In this video, I will share with you how to remove screenshots from your MacBook home screen. First, let's take screenshots. So for this, I will take screenshot using this app called Light Shot Screenshot. I will open it. My bad here. So then I will take a screenshot. I'm not sure how to take the shortcut to take screenshots. I think yes, this is the screenshot tool. Let's take a screenshot of this part and then save it to my MacBook desktop. Save. As you see, this is the screenshot. Let's preview it. This is the screenshot. Now, how to delete it? Simply, first let's duplicate it, because I want to show you two methods to how to remove a screenshot from your MacBook home screen. The first one is by clicking on the screenshot with the right button of your mouse, like this, and select Move to Trash. As you see, it was deleted. Now, the second method is by dragging and dropping the screenshot from your desktop to the trash here. Until now, those two screenshots are still in the trash, and you can still restore them. But if you want to completely remove them from your computer and from your desktop, just empty the trash like this. Click on the trash icon using the right button and select Empty Trash. Are you sure you want to permanently erase the items in the trash? Click on Empty Trash. And just like this, your screenshots are permanently deleted from your desktop. And this is how to delete screenshots, or this is how to remove screenshots from your MacBook home screen. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.